Today we're going to be unboxing a ton of SupCase. If you haven't seen the previous video, go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the SupCase Unicorn Beetle Pro iPad 8th generation case. Now we have two cases here. We have a purple and a metallic red. SupCase branding, drop protection, military grade. This is a two-piece case with a built-in screen protector, 360-degree protection, shock resistant, multi-layer design, and dust proof. So let's get into the violet one first. Alright. Now for this one, I did take off the wrapping. Comes with an installation guide and a support. You have a metallic back with a kickstand. It's kind of hard to pop out, and it's very sturdy. You have, I'm guessing, a hex pattern on the back. This will improve the drop protection. Without this little hex design, if it was just a flat back, it would be really bad. But good thing it has it, and then it has reinforced metal right here, as well as in the back. So really good drop protection, I can already tell. Metal back, you have a little carbon fiber design. The signature look for grip and stuff, really nice. And then the screen protector is on the front, which I'm not going to peel off, but it has foam in the inside and a screen protector with this little plastic covering. On the bottom right, this is how you separate the case. So just like that, two-piece case. Again, you can also see the hex pattern, and it's kind of rubberized as well, or textured, I can't tell. So yeah, really nice. I don't think it will scratch at all. It has a rubber texture to it. Texture right here, so it doesn't scratch the aluminum when you place it down. It just has like a little rubber feet, so you can put it down like that. And I like that it has the kickstand. It's good for when you have then you can just draw comfortably and just watch YouTube videos if you want as well, which is insanely good. This will definitely be good for people that have slippery fingers and don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on a super expensive overpriced case. Just buy this. And you can remove the screen protector, but you have to do a little cutting. Don't really recommend, but it is optional. If you don't like the screen protector, you could take it off. And you can put a tempered glass on your iPad, which is usually what I do, but it's up to you. That is the metallic violet. You have speaker grills, and the charging port is covered to protect from dust, which is amazing because you don't even access that port that much. Then you also have the top, which is probably for the auxiliary, which is kind of surprising. And yeah, power button, volume rockers, and I think that's it. Alright, now let's get into the metallic red. I'm actually really excited about this one. Oh, dang, this one's beast. This looks nice, dude. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That color is nice. It kind of looks like an orange red on camera, but trust me, it is definitely red. That is nice. Do have other colors available, like a bundle with like metallic red, I believe, and like metallic blue and stuff for like all your Apple products, like your AirPod Pros, AirPods, iPad, your phone, everything, and Apple Watch, all the metallic series. I love this red. This red is nice. Hopefully they come out with the iPhone 12 cases in this colorway so I can match it, because this is a really nice red. I love this red. You have a kickstand, which I actually use this because I don't want to break my finger while trying to open it. But same thing, just pop out the kickstand. You're good to go. Very sturdy. Yeah, super sturdy. I actually like semi hammered it kind of with my fist. This one has the same hex pattern in the back. Very durable. That kickstand definitely won't be going anywhere anytime soon. I have the same thing. Speaker grills, protection on the charging port. We have a little screen, the foam screen protector, little speaker grill thing. I don't know what that is. Same thing here, rubber feet. I actually like these rubber feet. They look really cool. It gives some symmetry to the actual case, and I like branding right there. Really cool case. SupCase, if you haven't heard of SupCase, you're missing out, because they are the best of the best. All their products are like around 20 to 30 bucks on average, which is amazing for the best protection. I believe these retail for about $32 on Amazon, so I'll throw a link up in the description. We will be doing a follow-up video on these two cases when I get the 8th generation iPad, if I get it, and if I don't, I'll showcase them anyhow. Anyways, so thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, of course, to subscribe for more videos just like this. If you do want to check out these cases, there are links in the description. There are 8 different colors you can pick from, I believe. So go check them out in the link in the description. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.